So welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome to the Celebrity Summit. And this is Stateroom 102 on deck 7. And this is a Veranda Stateroom. I'll just close the door behind me. And it's a really nice cabin, this. This ship was recently renovated back a few years ago, because it's like a 20-year-old ship. But its renovation were only like 2 or 3 years ago. So it's very modernised. We've got loads of storage space and hangers in the wardrobe. Plenty again there, and it's got a huge mirror on the side. I'll show you the cabin best I can as we go around. The bathroom's just to my right, but I'll come back to that in a moment. We've got a big cabinet right here that holds the safe. A few glasses in there if you need them, and another one at the side of it. Considering how small these cabins are, it's actually got a lot of storage space, which is really helpful. We've got like drawers here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers there. This is a mini bar, but this has just got, I mean, we've got the drinks package and everything, but this is just some paid items if you want them in there. Not that we'll bother with, but we'll definitely use that fridge to put some of his own stuff in. Huge bed, nice bit of decor behind it, well lit. There's the heating gauge on the wall. As you can see, this is like reminiscent of what it would have been before the upgrade. It's not like, it's quite an old kind of unit. It's got like a dimmer switch and light switch down there. It doesn't seem like there's any charging points on this side of the bed. Got the quite a big Samsung TV on the wall, adequate enough. Really large couch here. You could probably fit 2 people side by side on that, to be honest. There's a lamp, and there's some charging points right there in the form of 2 plugs and 2 USBs. More drawer space here and shelving. There's a little desk here. I'm going to probably use this for my laptop. I'll let Claire have the desk space right here with an illuminated mirror and chair. And again, there's a hairdryer in there, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more drawers there. Plenty of charging sockets right here. And the room itself is really nice. So we opted for this because originally we looked at Royal Caribbean on the Radiance of the Seas, which is a similar ship in terms of age, but that ship hasn't been upgraded. So if I chuck a couple of pictures on screen, you'll see a big difference. It's so we opted for this. We paid more, but we're definitely glad we did, because we didn't like the look of that one at all, to be honest with you. So I'll spin you around. We're actually still in port here in Seward, Alaska, and I'll just take you onto the balcony. Claire's sat out here taking in the views. 2 comfy chairs. We just start the port of Seward right here. A lot of action going on. We're on deck 7. Lifeboats are just underneath us. It's really a good view from here. We're not obstructed by anything. There's like a ceiling for the upper decks above us, but it doesn't get in the way at all, which is nice. And if you're wondering where you're going to put suitcases, just kick that up under the bed, and you can roll your suitcases straight underneath there. Absolutely no bother at all. Storage wise, perfect. So this stateroom for this 7-night Alaskan cruise cost us £3,340, and on top that come with a classic beverage package, and on top of that Claire got a deal on Black Friday weekend to upgrade to like a deluxe package that includes such as like your aged whiskies and your aged rums and the full drinks at the martini bar for like $117 total for us both, so it was quite a bargain. But yeah, that's what it cost. Anyway, I'll take you into the bathroom lastly, and this is the one thing that I do like about these cabins. The bathroom, when you consider the Royal Caribbean ships that we're being on, it's very modern. Plenty of storage space considering the size. I like the sink setup with all the shelving. But the one thing I do like, if we pan round to the left, is like a square shower with a proper door. Now most of you will notice that, like the cruises we've been on at least, it's just like a round corner shower. And the Radiance of the Seas, which I was just comparing to, it's just a corner shower with a shower curtain. So this is a much better option. I think the shower door pushes inwards. There's a handle right there. Footrest. Storage for soaps and what have you. Complimentary ones on there. There's a line for drying some clothing if you need to. But I'm very happy with the bathroom in this particular ship. It's spot on. I'll just shut that. So yeah, that's a Veranda Stateroom right here on the Celebrity Summit, guys. We're just about to set sail for a 7-night Alaskan trip, and you'll be able to catch up with what we do in the regular vlog. So hope you like this one, and with that being said, we shall see you in the next one. Take care.